Hey, Alexus celebrities and flawless man, welcome back to another podcast episode. We're going to have a raw and uncut conversation. We have to be more honest with ourselves. When you are being honest with yourself, when you are being real with yourself, when you look yourself in the mirror, you have to just keep it real with yourself. Oftentimes, we feel like we have to be loyal to somebody. We have to be real with somebody. We got to keep it a bean. We got to be an OG to somebody else, but we don't even be those things to ourselves. You have to be able to say, you know what, in the space I'm in my life, I don't need a relationship right now. It's a great desire of mine, but I just don't need it just to say I have it, just to be doing things to be seen. You have to say, well, when I look at my life and the different things that I'm experiencing, this would not be healthy for me to invite, or surround myself around somebody else because I know I'm fighting demons. So in this season, it's okay for me to be single. And we have to be okay with certain things, but we are not okay with things because we are not keeping it real with ourselves. Alexus Love Beauties and Flawless Men, keep it real with yourself. And this season, I don't need no friends. Like, I don't need a lot of people around me. I don't need a lot. It just needs to be me. And personally, I have always been around people. So when you look up and you realize that you have never known who you were, like when we talk about knowing yourself and loving yourself, that's deeper than just a phrase. That's knowing what you like and what you don't like. But when you're surrounded by people all the time, you're not able to get that. Because a lot of the times people are grooming you to make you like what they like, to make you do what they want you to do, because it's all emotional. So if you never had time by yourself, then you're not in control of your own emotions. And we think it's normal because it's something that we've just been used to doing. But a lot of the times it's not normal. And a lot of the times the reason why we're sick, the reason why we're feeling the way that we're feeling or on the verge of crashing out is because we're not keeping it real with ourselves. Keeping it real with ourselves. We have to keep it real with ourselves and say, you know what, this is not the time for this. Like the Lord said, there is a time, there is a season to live, to die, to do things, to have things. So we just have to be real with ourselves and say, this is not the season for me to have something right now, especially if we don't have it. But we can't look at other people and be like, well, since I don't have it, then I don't mean I'll never get it. Or we can't do that to ourselves and beat ourselves up and put ourselves in mental anguish about not having things or doing certain things. Or you just got to keep it real with yourself. It's a lot of people doing stuff and in stuff, and it's not real. And so they're causing themselves a stronger delusion. Alexis Love Beauties and Flawless Men, keep it real with yourself today. I want you to think about that. What do you need? What do you deserve now? And what do you need? And figure out what you need to save for later. Like, everybody wants a big house. Who doesn't? But if we look at the economy and keep it real with ourselves, if we look at, the way we spend money and different things like that, if we look at the amount of debt we have to keep it real with ourselves and say, right now is not the time for me to be trying to buy a 3-story house with 2-car garage, a built-in pool, a jacuzzi suite, a sauna, workout room. We got to keep it real with ourselves and say, you know what? It's not a settlement. This is just where I am right now. I just need a small 1-bedroom apartment. I just need a small little loft. And then that way I'm able to save more money. So when it's time for me to go get a house, I can buy a house. And a lot of the things, come on, Jesus, sometimes we're not meant to even do everything by ourselves either. Like sometimes we work so hard to be trying to get everything, and sometimes God just want to give that to us. He want to send other people to bless us, or sometimes some of those other things might be in your ordained partner to even help you to do. So just keep it real with yourself in this season. Like if you know you don't need something, or if you don't know what you don't need, then just look around. If you need like a break, if you like been feeling just overwhelmed by people and jobs and emotions and life and trauma, then it might be like, okay, well, I need a break. I need to start taking care of me. I need to start vacation. I need to start doing something. I need to start setting something aside. So Alexis Love Beauties and Flawless Man, I want you to look yourself in the mirror today and put yourself first and say, this is what I need. This is what I don't need in this season. This is what can wait. And just always take that to the Lord Jesus Christ for confirmation. I love you.